On one pleasant morning, we gathered a group of curious souls to explore an old world experience in Pune. Tambat Ali, or the Coppersmith lane, is located in Kasba Peth, which is one of the oldest neighborhoods of Pune. The Tambats or Coppersmiths, originally from Konkan, came to Pune on the invitation of the Peshwas more than 400 years ago. What was once a flourishing occupation producing artillery, utensils, and decor items now threatens to be a dying art. The loud din of synchronized hammering could give a headache to anyone not used to it. But even a short visit is enough to be completely awestruck by the genius of these artisans. As for the process, a simple copper or brass sheet first gets molded into a desired shape in a spinning machine. The shaped article is then fired up to make it malleable before undergoing a thorough cleaning using sulfuric acid and tamarind or lime. Once shiny and sun-dried, it is now ready to be hammered by hand, a laborious but almost meditative job. These artisans create the most beautiful articles from brass and copper. Lamps, bottles, kitchen utensils, and other home decor items are made with delicate finesse to suit modern traditionalist tastes. Many curious visitors like us make a visit to this vintage Coppersmith alley in Kasba Peth to watch the artisans at work, to buy articles from them, but sometimes also to try out the skill. An old copper vessel has got a tag of masterpiece just for having survived rough hammering by unskilled visitors like us. These visits and the welcoming hospitality of the Tambats are an invitation to those of us who may want to learn and continue the legacy. Ironically, the present generation of these coppersmiths don't find the work exciting and have turned to regular jobs, leaving the legendary occupation in danger of extinction. We ended our visit feeling fulfilled and inspired. Anyone who wishes to support this dying art can visit the lane, buy from them, and tell more people to do the same. If we don't encourage our local art, who will?